All right, here we go, 6th grade. Let's just take one more look at your exploring poetry project and where you should be at this point. You've got 4 checkpoints that should be done. Checkpoints 3 and 4 each had poems that you received in class. If you've misplaced those, you just need to find a different poem to use. You can look for one online yourself. For our poem analysis, I want you to remember that, I think I've got, let me look at our resources up here. Yeah, here is a poem analysis example that I did. So I have my poem pasted at the top of my document, and then I answered each of the questions that you have on your document. I answered in a highlighted color. I want you to pay attention to this direction because many people are not doing this, that you need to have complete sentences. So if the question is, what is the theme of this poem? You need to start your answer with, the theme of this poem is. Okay, if it says, what details in the poem show the theme? The details in this poem that show the theme are, or the detail is. Okay, and so think about that when you're forming your answers. Remember, point of view is the speaker of the poem. That's not necessarily the author, but it could be. How do you think, where are they coming from? Who might they be, and what are they thinking or feeling? And then what's an example from the poem that you can use? And then down here in your word choice, you have 2 questions it's asking you. So I have the answer to my yellow highlighted question in yellow, and the pink question in pink. So please pay really careful attention. Remember, this is a final product, so you want to do your very best work on this and not try to rush through. But there's an example from me. And then you have your own poem analysis here. And then your poem spotlight is where you are deciding how you want to highlight a poem that you enjoy or an original poem that you write. Okay, and it could be the same one that you used for poem analysis, but it could be different. You can decide. And then you're going to showcase and spotlight that poem using Google Slideshow, or you now all should have an Adobe Spark account. So if you want to try a video on there, some people are using Prezi, or if you have another idea, feel free to let me know. We will be presenting these next Thursday and Friday. So it's important that you're working towards having this project complete by then. We do not have a 3rd final product. So again, let me know if you have questions, but that's kind of an overview of what you should be doing and where you should be at this point.